with me. Yes, I don't fit in. No one wants to touch it, no one knows where to begin. I've got more than one membership, more than one club, and I owe my life to the people that I love. He looks me up and down like he knows what time it is, like he's got my number, like he thinks it's his. He says, call me Mr. Franco, if there's anything I can do. I say, it's Mr. Franco to you. Some days the line I walk turns out to be straight. Other days the line tends to deviate. I've got no criteria for sex or race. I just wanna hear your voice, I just wanna see your face. She looks me up and down like she thinks that I'm mature, like she's got my number, like it belongs to her. She says, call me Mr. Franco, if there's anything I can do. I say, I've got spots, I've got stripes too. Their eyes are all asking, are you in or are you out? And I think, oh man, what is this about? I mean, tonight you can't put me up on any shelf, cause I came here alone and I'm gonna leave by myself. I just wanna show you the way that I feel, and when I get tired you can take the wheel.